There's a street in Macau that people like to go to stand around in lines. Do you want to see it? Come on down to Rua do Cunha, a popular place to stand in line. Come on down and stand around. There's a line, there's some food. Let's stand in that line. Come on down to Rua do Cunha, a popular place to stand in line. Come on down and stand around. Cunha, you got a street named after you, a food street named after you. Taipa's village's main street. Come on down to Rua do Cunha, a popular place to stand in line. Come on down and stand around. Standing round, oh yeah, just standing in line. Love the lines, let's all gather round here and stand in lines.
Okay, so this bigger street with all the people, you can see them all the way down that way. That's called Cunha. It's also like known as kind of a food street. That up at the top is kind of a balcony, rooftop cafe. So we're going to be walking all the way down that way, and then there's a market all the way at the end. And we'll also kind of show you what's around here too. So let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. So that's going to be where we're going to be going, is down that way. And then this is kind of in this Carmel area up here, Casada de Corto. But our target street would be down that way. So stay tuned for that. Okay, up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we're going to be walking down that in a moment. Before we do, we're just going to kind of meander down this way. Let's kind of give you some references. There's some artwork for luggage. Our street is kind of a small street, so I'm just going to put it in some context of what's above it a little bit. Including this kind of stuff right here. Super Junior. Hello Macau. All kinds of references. Stars. Okay, so we're gonna go down. Little traffic jam right there. It's all illegally parked. Okay. Rooftop, way at the top. So let's attempt to go down. Got poinsettias. Recently it was December. Now it's January 10 as of today. So kind of cool. Street lights. Flowers. Artwork. Okay. So we're going to go a little bit to the left just to kind of capture all of the crowds and everything like that. This is also kind of at the base of Cunha, guys. Let me see if you can. Here comes a bus. Almost has to go slow because the other side of the street would be so busy. Tiger sugar. Okay, so now we can officially go across. And now we see Cunha there. This is for some other references. We have a big dragon right here. So it's also called like Dragon Park. And you see the dragon head and you can see the tail all the way down as well. The dragon head. Okay. So let's go down Cunha. I think one of the things that you definitely will see is long lines everywhere in here, and also there's kind of these alleys that go all the way down, and it's kind of interesting because they are kind of quiet and peaceful, but there's actually businesses and things down in here, so they're not like an alley really. And then this is our Target Street Cunha guy. Huh. Never noticed that before. Okay. We're gonna slowly try to go down. So many people. And we got long lines starting right over here. So this long line here is to go to this Bifo Pao, which is the place that says day up there in yellow. So this line is so long they have to cut it in half. So you can see the line, and then there's a security person. He lets people cross into these little alleys. There's also long lines over here as well. So there's long lines down that direction as well. Let's just kind of walk over that way. So I think this line goes all the way down here, and then I think these people are just kind of eating foods. So they need somewhere to eat, so they'll walk over that way. And then this line will continue right to this Bifo Pao. And they let people come across here. I'll just walk across real quick. This was a Starbucks right here, but the Starbucks I think is gone. And then these alleys will be filled with businesses and people as well, as you can see. Okay. So the alleys will have just as much activity as anything else. Okay. So we're gonna come back. So this line right here, they have a stoppage spot and there's the guard. Then he's watching the other line. Then he lets them go through. So we're gonna follow this Macau Street through the Cunha. So you'll see long lines everywhere. There's lines over to the snack shop. Long lines over here. So it's kind of known as a food street, so people will come here to get food. And if you're here, you can smell all the different food smells. This one right here, Northsource Bakery, will you see how this kind of red line right there? And then they will be in line right here. So I'm going to show you where that line, so it says Q here, and we'll see a long line. See if we can get around to that long line. So it's around the corner right there. And we'll just walk down it briefly, just kind of show you how long it is. So they're all in line for for this particular one. And then there'll be other long lines down that way as well. So this one is all for those little pastries. These ones. Okay. We have another line here. This line goes around the corner to this one. There's pork chop buns and beef intestines. It's kind of a snack one over here. Souvenirs. This right here to the left is Os Santos, Portuguese restaurant. Okay, so down at the end we're also going to show you the new market, so we'll get down there eventually as well. This is a pharmacy. It's actually kind of quiet and well lit. This is kind of like snacks. In this street there's like a Taiwan one and some other kind of cool stuff. I'm surprised it's not. Usually people will come down here and get pictures of that. There are a lot of Macau signs everywhere for Instagram and whatnot. Our street's gonna end that way, and we're gonna end at the market. But let's just go over here and show you what this looks like too. So over here is a small little park. So this is all kind of this Taipa village area. And you'll see all kinds of interesting stuff throughout here. This is kind of, there you go. Let me just kind of walk in. You can see all the people on the sides. There's some coffee shops right in here. Sometimes this will have a lot of people in this line right here for the matcha Macau. Okay. Let's go back to Cunha guy. Rua de Cunha. And right here they're taking a picture because it says Cunha guy. So this is that street that we're on. Rua de Cunha. Cunha guy. So, Taipa, part of Taipa village. Okay. So we're going to navigate to the market at the end. Okay. Okay. I don't want to walk too fast, but sometimes you got it. I want to get around the crowds too, though. So. Okay, so that's another side street. The other side street down that way too. Dumbo restaurant is Macanese, kind of a formal, somewhat semi-formal Macau, like a nice sit-down family restaurant style of Dumbo. Okay, so we're going to come out to the market, which is to the left, which is relatively new, restored. Then out here you also have some photography of different parts of Taipa. Okay, so this is where we're going to be coming out at. Our market is like right there, this big yellow one, Mercado do Taipa. So we're going to walk into that one in a moment. That's Cunha guy. So that's kind of the photogenic spot where a lot of people will take a picture of and put it on social media. Or when they describe when they put it in tourist bureaus, it'll be usually this shot. If you go inside here, there's a lot of cool stuff up on the second and third story as well. Okay, so let's go into our mercado. Mercado de Taipa. So this is all new. So we'll see how it looks. There's a cafe, restaurants, different stuff. So let's take a look. So before this was more older style. Looks like it might have like flickering lights. Okay. Got flowers. I do have that flickering lights, but I'm just going to give you some context. That would go back outside again. And I think a lot of people will go upstairs into the restaurant area, which I haven't been up to. And this will just come out to here. And this street right here will be tons of nice sit-down restaurants. Cunha will have more like stand-up takeaway, and this will have more like variety: Japanese, Italian, Spanish, Thai, Portuguese, and then all the way down is Galaxy Casino. So Go Thai Strip is down that way. And I think we're just gonna go end ours by going up to the second floor and just second story. We'll just see what that is, and then we'll end our video. Okay, let me just see here. Okay, fruits. We have a little I Love Macau. Okay. Okay. This is my first time in here. Let's go to the right. Patio de Gordo. Okay. Hello. Thank you. So just kind of walk in here real quick. Cherries. Oh, okay. Let me see if we can go in a circle. Okay. Okay. Let's see what's over here as well. Okay. Oh, it is nice. It looks much different than it did before. Even has all these Portuguese references here, like this too. Fish, fruits. Bala chow is like a sauce. Oh, there's a terrace up there. Well, that will be the ending of our video then. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, there you go. What? Is there more? Oh yeah, there is. Okay. Let's just see what this looks out at. Oh, okay. So Cunha would be right there, so that's Cunha. We did walk down into that, a little bit into this little village. This is part of Taipa village, so, and those are the casinos over there. That's Galaxy Casino over there. Okay, so we're in our video right there.